Hey y'all, welcome to my channel or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, guys, so today's video, I know this is a different kind of intro. I am showing you guys the house and what a mess it was in. Today's video is going to be a clean with me. I hope that you guys enjoy this. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. All right, let's get started. Okay, so like I said before, I just wanted to show you guys the house and the state that it was in before I started to clean. So I had junk everywhere. I had dishes I needed to put up, dishes in the sink that needed to be washed, and then also supper dishes from the night before still sitting on the stove with food in them. So let's just say it was a hot mess. And another thing, if you guys see this curtain and wonder why it's tacked up there and not on a curtain rod, it's because I did not hit a stud and I made a hole in the wall. So I'm needing to patch the wall and then I will put it up correctly. Oh my gosh, you guys. So I have to show you what I just received in the mail. Well, actually FedEx sent it. I will have a link to the website in the description box. Go check this out, guys. They have dupes for all of the major brands like Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Hermes, let's see, Dior, Chanel. They have all of that, you guys, and it looks identical. I'm so excited about this bag. I cannot wait. Let me open it up and show you guys. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, you guys, so I have got on the Gucci bag. I think it is so stinking cute. I'm gonna flip the camera around and just show you guys the bag with my little outfit. This is one of my little outfits that I wore to Florida, or wore when I went to Florida. So it's just a cute little romper. Got it at the Goodwill, but it looks so cute with this Gucci bag. This bag is just, I love it, you guys. I love it so stinking much. Oh my goodness. Let me show you. Look at this. I hope you guys can actually like see it really good and everything's clear and plain. I just love it so much. Look at how stinking cute it is, you guys. Oh my gosh, I love it. And it just makes this little romper look so cute. It's like the perfect accessory for my outfit. I love it. You can wear it over one shoulder. You can wear it like I've got it, kind of like over your body, like a body bag or whatever you call it. Not a body bag, but y'all know what I'm talking about. Anyways, this is just so stinking cute. And I absolutely love it with the outfit. I think it is darling, but it will literally go with anything. Too stinking cute. Don't forget, you guys, go to the description box. Look for the link to the website. Go check out these bags. You will not be disappointed, I promise. Don't forget, go to the description box. Also, use code Jackie for 12% off. All right, back to the video. Let's get started with this video. These are a few secrets of people who always have a clean house. If you don't consider yourself a clean person, it can be easy to feel resigned to the idea that you're either clean or you're not. But fun fact, cleanliness is not a quality people are born with. Maybe you were never taught. Maybe you just have some bad cleaning habits. But all it really takes is a little resourcefulness and creativity. Get yourself some trusted cleaning products and follow a few simple guidelines for a clean home. First and foremost, you have to declutter. Even if you don't consider yourself a collector of stuff, that stuff always seems to pile up in every corner and on every countertop. Now, is this not true? Obviously, you just saw my house and duh, there was stuff everywhere. Try using the one in and one out method. That means when you bring something new into your home, try to toss, sell, or donate an older item to make room for the new one. This is such a great idea. If you got something that you just don't need anymore, you don't use anymore, toss it. Make room for the new stuff that you're bringing in. It just is such a great concept. All right, junk drawers have a way of spilling out onto what should be an otherwise clean, empty surface. Countertops and tables are practically begging to be littered with stray mail and other odds and ends. People with clean homes tackle that problem immediately. When you keep large, flat surfaces clear, not only are they more visually appealing, but also they're easier to wipe down as well. Clean homes don't just miraculously clean themselves. Neat people have a system in place to keep things maintained and orderly. People with clean homes have a schedule and routine so dirt and laundry don't have time to pile up. For example, they may set a designated day to be vacuum or laundry day so that the big tasks don't get skipped. The rest is about doing small tasks every day to keep things maintained. This is so true. You have to do little things daily in order to keep your home neat and orderly. There are just things that you have to do. Maybe put the pillows back the way they were on the couch, or pick up the dog's toys, or pick up your kids' toys. I mean, just there are things that you have to do every single day in order to keep a clean home. And also, one little tip here while we're seeing this clean oven, or I almost said refrigerator, stove. I used the barkeeper's friend on that, and guys, it cleans it up so well. All right, people with clean homes always appear to be clean. Don't wait until it looks like a bomb went off. Let me repeat that. People with clean homes always appear to be clean, but they don't wait until it looks like a bomb went off. Rather, they have routines. This may mean rearranging throw pillows and folding blankets when they're done in the family room each night, or maybe wiping down the shower when you're finished each time, or folding the laundry right when it comes out of the dryer. It's maintaining about just doing what needs to be done, guys. You just have to do what needs to be done. Not every household budget has room for a regular professional cleaning service, but those who do tend to keep up with daily maintenances. Figuring out how to keep a house clean may seem like one of life's many mysteries, especially families and individuals who work full-time. But with a little time and effort, you can easily create great cleaning habits to keep your home tidy year-round. Now, let's talk about this supper that I was making. So, I decided I would make some chicken Alfredo, and I also made some skillet corn. So, I used canned chicken, Bertolli's Alfredo sauce. I also boiled some egg noodles, and then for the skillet corn, it's just canned corn, whole kernel corn. You add butter to it, and then I'm also going to add some sugar here in a minute. But Really simple, fast supper. I wanted to throw this in there for you guys. I never really show any cooking. I don't do a lot of cooking, but I never really show it when I actually do cook. So I thought I would leave this in here and show you guys. And I also made some biscuits to go with it. Such a quick and easy supper. And guys, it tastes fantastic. That Bertolli's Alfredo sauce is so good. And then skillet corn is one of my absolute favorites. Like I said before, it's just whole kernel corn, butter, and sugar. And then you put it in a skillet and let it fry. Drain all the water off of it and let it do its thing. Love it. Now, to continue with the cleaning part of this video, I've added in some more of me just cleaning the house. From taking the trash out, to washing the dishes, to doing some laundry. I've got a little bit of everything in here for you guys to have a little cleaning, what do you call it? I just went completely blank, you guys. Oh my gosh, I hate when that happens. Some cleaning inspiration. That's what I was trying to say. And also, I hope that you guys were able to see the products that I use, because I've been asked several times what products I use to do my cleaning. And so in this video, I tried to kind of stop and show you guys each individual product. So what I'm using right now on my trash cans is the Mrs. Meyer's all multi-purpose cleaner in the scent lavender. I absolutely love it. For my stove, I use the Barkeeper's Friend, and then I also go back over it with some Zep glass cleaner. But yeah, super simple, easy, just nothing special about my cleaning products. Just definitely stuff you can grab at the Dollar General store, but things that will help you keep your home clean. Now, the Mrs. Meyer's, you have to get it like Lowe's, maybe Walmart carries it, I think. But anyways, it's still not that hard to find. But very, very good cleaning products. Now, on this particular day, I needed to clean out my little vacuum. This is the Tenneco stick vac. I needed to clean it out so I could clean my couch. Lord have mercy, I cannot talk today, you guys. Anyways, I needed to clean the couch. The dog hair is just... oh my gosh, y'all, the struggle is real. It is so bad. There's always a mound of dog hair inside this couch. It's ridiculous. And I clean it out like literally every 2 weeks or so. I mean, it's not like a long period of time that it sits there, but it definitely had to be cleaned out. Stuff like that will make your furniture stink. It will really make it smell, and I cannot stand dog smell. I'm so terrified that my house is going to smell like a dog, so I am constantly doing things that will help me maintain and keep a clean, good smelling house. Now, this is some patchouli dog smell coat spray. I got this off of Amazon. I will leave a link in the description box for this. Super good. It smells, oh my gosh, so good. Even Jordan liked it, and he's really picky about the smells in the house. So even he liked it, but I spray the furniture with it. I spray the dogs directly with it. It's all natural, so you can literally spray the dog's coats. That's more or less what it's for. But I use it even on our furniture because, guys, everything we own smells like a dog, or I feel like it does anyways. And then, of course, there's always laundry. Laundry is the vein of my existence, I swear. I always have mounds of laundry to do, guys, and I just don't understand it. I literally put a load in and fold a load just about every single, well, I do every single day, but I just about every single day have to do more than one load. And it's just wild that I constantly have laundry. But I guess it's because I am all the time cleaning sheets, cleaning beds, cleaning blankets, you know, just anything that I can keep clean and fresh and make sure that it smells nice and helps the house to stay smelling nice. I am washing it and drying it every day just about. So anyways, but this was just a little bit of cleaning inspiration for you guys, just to show y'all that, hey, my house gets dirty just like your house gets dirty. And it takes me a little time, but if I just put in the effort and make myself do it, I can end up with a pretty clean home in the end. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Subscribe, that would be awesome. Plus hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. Speaking of new videos, I actually have a new vacation video coming out very soon. I will have that up on my channel within the next couple of days. I cannot wait for you guys to see that. That was so much fun. But I'm gonna leave you guys now with a little bit of folding your clothes inspiration. And I hope that you guys have a blessed day. Thank you. Bye, guys.